Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma sholli ala nur. Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready for the class for today? Yes. Right, okay. I'm very glad to meet you today in this beautiful Friday morning. And I think you are very bright and very handsome and beautiful students. And I think you're also smart, right? Right, okay, students. I will ask you now, as it is a reading class, what have you read within this week? Whether this is in Bahasa Indonesia or this is from English text. Are you ready to answer that? Yes. Okay. Sir, I have read about this. Sir, I have read about this from magazine. I have read from this from Jawa Post newspaper, for examples. Okay, are you ready for that? So I will ask you one by one. All right? Okay. So let's start from here. What have you read, guys?
I read about the study, Mr. Wiranto.
Okay, you read about the serving from Mr. Wiranto. Who is Wiranto? You know?
Yes.
Who is Wiranto? Is he your neighbor?
No.
He is an actor?
No.
He is the public figure?
Yes.
I think he's public figure, right? Yes. Right, students. Now, we will read about that. But before reading about that, we'll discuss what have we discussed within the last week. We discussed about what? You remember? Scanning. Okay. Remember about scanning, and then what else? Topic. What else? Main idea. Okay. Now, everyone, who still remember about scanning? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. This guy, Imam.
Scanning is like reading quickly, finding specific information,
Right.
based on our purpose as a reader.
Oh, excellent. Give applause. Right. So, the first scanning is about reading quickly, right? Just move your eyes fast. Move your eyes quickly from top to bottom. Reading quickly, and remember, this is not only reading quickly, but it should be based our purpose in reading as a reader to find specific information. And we'll also read about a text that download in the bbc.com, British Broadcasting, about the issues you mentioned from your friends. We run to attack the demonstrations and also the issues of terrorists happen in Indonesia. Are you happy? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Esa? Okay. All right. Go yes, not go west, yeah? Attack, about the demonstrations, about Jokowi, and about the Pak Wiranto. All right, now students, we're going to have the second round of a group. As I said to you, please number yourself in every group. Now, who is number one? Okay, please stand up first. All of you stand up. Who is number one from every group? Number one, raise your hand. Number one. Right. Number one, please gather here. Please gather here. Stand up here first. Okay. Start from group one. Please tell about the news. In English. Okay. Start. Right. Okay. I think enough for the presentings from each group. Now please back to your home group and tell what you got from this expert group. Okay?
Okay.
Bring back to your home group. Please retell in every group what informations you got from other groups. Okay? Not discuss your original text, but the text you got from other groups. Okay? Okay, please retell and build up to support one to another. Reporting in every group is enough, and now this is the time for you from every group to tell one again for the last times what have you read and discussed in a group to the whole class. Okay? Who want to be volunteers first?
Topics. Many information from one topic. Our topic in our group is about Indonesia elections. It was Joko Widodo elected as president. So in Indonesian election 2019, Mr. Joko Widodo tax winning with his friend Prabowo Subianto.
Right, okay class, I think we come to the conclusions, the final steps of our class for today. Before we end the class, so I would like to ask you, what do you think about our class for today's activity? Raise your hand, please. Right, okay.
I think it's amazing class
It's amazing class. Why?
because today I can increase my skill in reading, in speaking, and in other things.
Right, you can increase and improve your English skills from reading, speaking, and also listening and writing as well. Okay, give applause. Right. So, what about the news that you got from the reading activity? Is it a bad news or this is a good news for us? So, all the news that we read mostly are bad news. And I think from this, you need to be critical as a reader. So you need to accept where should be accepted or where should be rejected as a reader, right? Right. So hopefully in the future we can create good news for everybody in Indonesia. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay class, I think that's all for today. So we'll end our class by praying together. Okay, praying start. Bismillah.